Hi, I'm Lori and thank you for coming back to the channel. I am going to show you today a little bit about changing our decorations from summer to fall. I'm in Texas and it's probably 85 degrees today, but anyway, it is fall, so we just have to deal with it. So I'm going to do some taking away of the spring flowers and summer decorations and getting in some fall and bringing out the mums and the pumpkins and lanterns and anyway, I'll show you what I did to my house and do a few DIYs and see if it's something that you might want to do for your house. So if you're enjoying the video, give it a thumbs up. If you'll like it and subscribe, I would really appreciate it. So let's get going. Okay, here we are for fall decorations. I think what I'll do is put a wreath on the door. I'll put some pumpkins on both sides. I'll put some mums, and I've got some lights, and I've got some cute little lanterns. I think it's gonna turn out really nice. Kind of a non-traditional color. So this is a really fun way to cover your pillows that are outside and using the same pillows that you did maybe in the summertime. So I just took my pillow, that from summer, and you're going to measure it, and you're going to measure it 1 inch bigger on every side. 1 inch, 1 inch, 1 inch, 1 inch. Okay, and I got this really pretty, all these different colors. Thought that was really pretty. There's some fall, and then just some accent colors, kind of non-traditional, some colors there. So anyway, that's the colors that I'm going to use for my pillows, and I'm going to get them ready to make. Okay, I know this is going to seem kind of crazy, and my mom will probably have a fit, but I'm going to glue this, and you're going to see it'll turn out. I usually do this for my outside pillows, it's a nice quick way to do it. So anyway, let's go. So you've got your fabric all cut out, and you want to put your right sides going out. All right, so we're right here, right sides out. All right, so the first thing you want to do is glue 1 inch right there. And then you just glue it down. Okay, then you do the other side. See, isn't it crazy? Okay. That side, and let's do this side. Okay. a pillow in. You're not going to believe it, but it holds. And I like this little raggedy end sometimes, you know, it gets a little frayed. It's okay. It's casual. Well, what do you think? There's one. I think it's cute. And simple. I think it took less than 5 minutes to make. Love it. So here's a cute way to add some of your porch color to your decor. I'm using my barn and fence paint. This is what we paint our steps, and the architecture on our house is this color. And so I'm just going to, super easy, gonna paint these little pumpkins and a few more big ones, and going to just place them around. It's very easy, and there's no rhyme or reason. It's just a matter of painting and letting it dry, and then tomorrow I'll do the bottoms. Well, I'd like to give you something to think about this week. I'm reading in the New King James Version of the Bible, 2 Corinthians 3, 2 Corinthians 1, 3, and 4. I'll get it right. Blessed be the God and Father of our Lord Jesus Christ, the Father of mercies and God of all comfort, who comforts us in all our tribulation, that we may be able to comfort those who are in any trouble with the comfort with which we ourselves are comforted by God. You know, in those two verses, he says the word comfort 5 times. I think he wants us to hear it. Well, that's it for today. I really appreciate you coming along with me, and I hope you got some ideas, and I had a lot of fun. Let me know in the comments if you used any of the DIYs or what you're planning on doing at your house. So bye for now. God bless you and your family. Bye.